Alright, so we're going to do something a little bit different for today's video. We're going to be cutting open these geodes. And
coconut.
What type of geodes are these, Josiah?
These are coconut geodes. We just got them
some
today.
Coconut geodes or Las Choyas geodes. I got these from J.H. Calmore, so these should be solid. They're sold as solid geodes. So we'll go ahead and cut them and see what we get inside. Hopefully we'll get some nice banding. And these tend to be more of a white to gray in color. They don't usually have a lot of colorful bands. But we'll go ahead and cut them and we'll see what's inside of these. Alright, so let's see the first Las Choyas geode we've ever cut. What do we got? Ooh, it's a geode. Oh, that's pretty. That is beautiful. Wow. Really messy cut. We'll have to clean that up. It's got a little bit of a purplish tinge to it, but that's just gorgeous. Got some banding around the outside. Nice crystal structure in there. And just beautiful, beautiful crystals. Yeah, they have a light purplish tinge or almost a smoky tinge to them. A little bit of a matrix or something in there. But yeah, that is just gorgeous. So we'll go ahead and cut our next one. Sorry, I'm still looking at this one. It's so pretty. Very pretty. So that one was not solid. So up next, I think we'll cut this guy here. And this one actually, I thought this one felt a little bit lighter than the others, so I'm hoping for another geode, but we'll go ahead and cut it and see what we get. Alright, so that started out as a pretty hard cut. It got a little bit easier over towards this side. So let's go ahead and see what we got.
Wow.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow. And it has a very small geode pocket in there. Boy, look at the outside of it. That's just gorgeous. That banding. And it's weird. And look up in here. Look how the bands kind of get smushed by this quartz pocket in the center. They're smushed right up against the side there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This will be a very nice one polished up. Very, very nice. That's pretty. I'm kind of glad. I wasn't sure about cutting through this little piece sticking out here, because I thought it might break off. But it held on. I think it looks pretty nice with that sticking out there. Looks nice. I like this dark, kind of a dark squiggly line around the outside. That's real pretty. Yeah, so that's a real nice one. Alright, so we got one more left we're going to cut today. This one's a little bit bigger than the last two. Feels fairly heavy, so we'll see if it's a geode or not. But the last two were geodes, so there's a good chance this one might be as well. So let's go ahead and see what we Alright, so I went ahead and cut that one, and it felt really solid. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it's not a geode. Man, but it is really pretty. It is still really pretty. Look at the needles coming from the outside. Very pretty. That's really pretty, and it's got really nice banding around this one side. That's still a really nice Las Choyas, or Las Choyas, I'm sorry, Las Choyas geode. It's still really nice. It's not, well, not technically a geode, but a really nice nodule. So I'm happy with that. And I just noticed, I was looking at this one. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Up here we got, see that flake in there? I don't know what that is. It's very shiny. And then I don't know if you guys can see in the middle there, there's a spot where it's actually a little bit iridescent. So that's really pretty. That'll be real nice. And that'll be even more. That iridescence should hopefully be even more apparent once we polish it. That's a real nice little specimen there. So I'm pretty happy with these Las Choyas geodes. I got a whole, probably maybe 14 more pounds, 15 pounds more of these to cut. So we got some fun cutting coming up. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, like and subscribe. I'll polish these up, and I'll post pictures throughout the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these. I'll see you guys in the next one.